bitch up a whole nother ticket, nigga. EST. What it look like, nigga.
YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Today, I'm busting everything down today, man. That car, this car, and this truck. And you see what I got on right now, man. SRT light, man. Yes, it's official. I got it on. Took a minute just because I forgot to put the stupid bracket on in the back, man. So I had to take the bolts back off. You know, these pain in the ass, man. If I wasn't so skinny, man, you know what I'm saying? I used to go through the bottom, but this time, man, I went through the top, man. I had to take the horn off, put all these back. But yes, SRT light is on and in effect, man. We back in business, man. This was actually a good feature on the car that I felt like definitely gave it a unique look, man. So I'm glad that's back on. And now I got everything covered up too. Got the wires covered up, wrapped up, so that plug don't corrode out no more, know what I'm saying? I still gotta put the adaptive cruise control back on, know what I'm saying? This is right here. Had to move it out the way. But you know, let me see right quick. Yeah, just plug this back in right quick. And come on now. All right, got it back in. All I gotta do is basically put it back up like this. Attach the bolts to it, man. So, and then put the cover back on. But yeah, we got this mug glaring and popping, man. So, got that in effect. Also, man, Rivi Coupe. I mean, you know, I've been having AC problems in this car for the past 3 years, because I've been having had a small pinhole leak down here at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Small little pinhole leak, and probably you see all that little dark gray glue. Well, not glue, but I forgot what you want to call it right now. But yeah, let me tell you what I did though. JB Weld, mixed those up together. You know what I mean? Say they could hold up to 5,000 pressure. But pinhole that up, man. Hopefully this mug will hold air, hold Freon now, man. So we're gonna charge that up. You know what I'm saying? Whew. Looking all so nasty, looking all so clean. That y'all know got the Freon right here, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With the gasket over here. Got another gasket. I mean, I forgot what you call this. Nozzle. Got another nozzle somewhere in there. But yeah. You see where we at right now. We at the Magnum. What I did to this already, man, I did take the wheels back off and had to lift the front of the car up some more, man. Why? Cause, man, I got tired of it rubbing. You know, hey, man, when you start doing things like this, putting big wheels on cars, changing the suspension up, and you know me, I like my to tuck, but you know, had to tuck it, man. You know, and I scratched up the paint, man. It is what it is. It's not as bad though. I called my paint man, you know what I'm saying? He can get me in, but I'm afraid of the cause it's, like I said, a custom color, man. I'm just afraid of the fact that shade gonna be off. I don't want the shade to be off, and when it's gonna be off on the door, and it's gonna be off on the hood, and it's gonna be off on the bumper, man. So yeah, it's a little scratch though, man, but fuck it, man. I deal with it for right now. It just is what it is, man. I ain't about to waste no time or nothing. But I did relift the car back up, man. I put a knuckle in here, man. Let me see if I can find it right quick. Something I don't recommend doing if you're really trying to lift a car, man. I really don't recommend it, man. but I only did it so when the car hit a dip, it doesn't dip down too far. Cause you know now since they don't have the SRT springs in there, the springs ain't stiff, so the springs flex a lot, man. So the car come down farther, and on top of that, I'm on 26s, so the wheels is bigger too. So let me find a knuckle right quick, and I'll get right back to you. Got the knuckle. You feel me? Something like this, man. I slid this on the front part of the springs, you know what I'm saying? Just to lift the car up some more a little bit. Just a little bit, man, so the car don't come down, you know what I'm saying? Should look like this. But I only put one in, man. I only put one on the left side. And not how that's facing. Got it facing like this. So if you're looking at the car from the sideways like this, you know what I'm saying? I got it going in like this. Just so I could just lift that part of the front of the car up, man. Because I'm tired of it rubbing, man. Because I hit a dip while I was turning, man. And I messed up this fender up on this side, and I messed up the other fender on that side. And you know what I mean? It's just a pain in the ass, man. So I haven't even drove this car yet with the knuckle on. So, but I did, let's see if I can turn the light on. So hold on, YouTube. So I did respray the brake calipers. Cause remember, this part was rubbing a little bit more, so I sanded down some more and resprayed it. And I did notice it was rubbing on the other side as well, which I sand that down and resprayed it. So now they all good. 6-piston brimstone brakes, looking all so lovely. But yeah, you see that little scratch, man? Yeah, man. Scratch the paint up, man. But see if I can see the knuckle from here. Let me see if I can see the knuckle. Up, there you go. Hold on, let me see if we can focus. Focus. Focus, good. Focus. See the knuckle right here. Let's see if it focuses, man. Hold on, let me go back some. No, it may not be able to focus, man. But yeah, it's up in there, man. It's right there, man. Can't get it to focus, man. Oh, there we go. Hold on. There we go. Yeah. Yup. Got the knuckle in there. Ain't really test drove it yet, though, but bet not fall out. Bet not fall out, because otherwise I'm going to be pissed. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, you know, you see this right here, though. Yes, sir. Got the motherfucking Pilot LTZ on them foes. Man, this day been off and on raining like the last 2 hours, man. Literally, you see the clouds right here and everything moving to the south, and I'm facing south right now, man. But literally, like for 10 minutes, it'll rain, sprinkle, dry, then be done for 20 minutes. Then it'll come back again, sprinkle, dry, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So, man, yeah, dealing with that. That's why I got the Durango pulled so far up, because it was raining when I was cleaning the car, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is what I'm doing today, man. Just knocking this out, getting ready to put all that stuff back on. Durango good to go. So you see me in traffic, man. See the truck in traffic, man. You know what it is. Durango 392, young rich shit. You feel me? So, I'm about to end the video, man. I'll let y'all know next video how everything else turn out, man. Magnum. Cool. You know what I'm saying? So, like, share, subscribe. And we out. Young.